Hey guys, I'm Josh, and in today's video I'll be unboxing my new Apple Watch Edition Series 6 in titanium. I was gifted this for Christmas from my girlfriend who ordered it mid-December and it arrived around mid-January. Inside the shipping packaging, we have the retail packaging, which is shrink wrapped and then comes undone with these two cardboard tabs. This style of packaging is basically the same as it has been for the Series 4 and Series 5 watches in the past. Inside we have another two boxes. One box with the watch itself and a separate box for the chosen band. In my case, the Inverness Green Braided Solo Loop, which I'll get to later. The watch box features an image of the watch on the top and at the end displays the model and size, in my case 44mm. Peeling back the seal gives access to inside the box. On the left you can see the watch itself, and then on the right here we have some paperwork. First up, this little pamphlet explaining how to connect the band, how to turn the watch on, how to connect to your phone and how to charge it. Then there is some legal paperwork. Of note, the Apple Watch Edition is the only Apple product here in Australia with a 2-year warranty. Included with the Edition versions of the Apple Watch is a sport band. Because this is the natural titanium watch, the sport band colour is light grey, and the space black titanium watch comes with a dark grey sport band. Then we have the charging puck. With the Edition and stainless steel Series 6 watches, the puck is a metal and plastic construction, whereas on the aluminium and SE version, the puck is all plastic. There is no power brick included in the box anymore. And here we have the watch itself. In the box, it is protected by a sturdy cardboard cover, and once removed from the cover, the watch turns on. The case immediately feels less weighty than my current stainless steel Series 4 case. It has a nice brushed metal texture which is halfway between a matte and shiny appearance. The screen is sapphire crystal for enhanced scratch resistance, and the back is ceramic and sapphire crystal. The watch is water resistant to 50 meters, and on the back here you can see the heart rate and blood oxygen sensors. Now let's have a look at the Inverness Green Braided Solo Loop. Inside the box is some standard paperwork, and then unfolding the cardboard we get a look at the band. I visited the Apple store, and using their measuring sticker I was halfway between a size 6 and size 7. I tried both on and ended up opting for the size 6 for a more snug fit. The band is soft with some stretch to it, and is probably the most comfortable watch band I've ever tried on. As you can see from the tan on my wrist, I'm never without my Apple Watch. The titanium edition is a nice upgrade from my Series 4 stainless, and in a future video I'll do a more in-depth comparison between the two. So that's my unboxing of the Apple Watch Edition Series 6 with Inverness Green braided solo loop. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to see more Apple and HomeKit content in the future.